This entire video was shot just using the Smooth Q4 and the iPhone 13 Pro. And we made an entire video where I'm showing you how I made this video. I will go in depth in what frame rates I was using, what picture profile I was using, and also how the gimbal is working. So in case you're interested in learning more about how I made this video and especially about the all-new Zhiyun Smooth Q4, then definitely make sure to watch the full video, which I have linked up there.